Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and it is day 5 of 12 days of arts and coffees. That's where I do an art or craft while drinking some interesting coffee. So that means it's time to pick out of our Crazy Cups box again. Alright, let's see. What did we get? We got Toasty Texas Pecan. Oh no. I'll not. Alright, I'm gonna go make this coffee and pick out my gift for today. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back with my coffee. It's already pre-chiefered, as you can see. Don't worry, I'll grab them once I get to them. Well, let's taste the coffee. Oh, wow. I was not expecting them like that. It does have a heavy fragrance of... Remember that cereal that was shaped like French toast? You know, back in the day? It has that scent. It's a little bit on the side of peanut that I don't like, though, like hazelnut-ish side, but it's not bad. Alright, I picked out this gift for today. This is one of the gifts that Knox said might take a couple more brain cells than the other gifts, so I'm kind of scared and also excited to see what it is. I'm guessing it's some kind of rolled up project, like a canvas maybe, because of the shape of it. Now, if you don't know this, for the first 4 days, Naka was actually with me when I picked out all the gifts and unwrapped them. But today she's not here, so she can't see my reaction live, unfortunately. She's gonna have to wait and watch the video. But let's see what's inside. Oh no, another good taped one. I'm not even gonna look, okay? I won't even look. I'm gonna slide it out, I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay, ready? God, hold on, I need to look to see where I can grab. Okay, ready? Oh no, what is this? Is this water marbling? Let's paint together. 2 11 by 14 inch canvas designs, paint pots, 2 painting color guides, 2 paintbrushes. This is a project for 2! What the heckin'? Now I'm not sure what she meant by needing to use my own brain for this one, because this is like a paint by number, isn't it? Or is it not actually numbered and I paint it whatever way I want? Oh my god, just open it! Got everything out in one shot. Oh my god. Okay, so is it paint by number without the numbers? What I'm gathering here? They kind of look like they're the same canvas, but they're cropped in different spots. Like, I see this and this here. Oh, hold on. Like, these 2 spots look exactly the same. Like, it's just flipped and in a different spot. Because, like, look. It looks like it lines up exactly. Hold up. See what I mean? It lines up exactly. It's, like, turned. That's an interesting take and a very cheap way to get 2 projects out of one thing. This is canvas, by the way. It's, like, you know, canvas texture. It just doesn't have any frame on it. That is crazy, though. Comes with our guides. I don't know if I want to follow that though. And here's all of our paint. Hopefully it's good paint, and it comes with crappy little paint brushes that I might not use. So let's see here. I'm trying to figure out if like some of these colors are the same color. And it kind of looks like that. Like these are all 4 the same color. These 2 are the same color. So it looks like they kind of tried to make it so you have to paint the way they want you to. Okay, so it looks like this one goes with this one, and then these 2 go together. The one with this up at the top is the bluer set. Look at how this paintbrush is bent. Oh my god. That's crazy. Oh, when the wood is cheap too, goodness. So they come with the same paintbrush. This is definitely like a for 2 type of deal. Okay, so I'm not in love with the color palettes here. I like the idea of having a cool and warm one though, and that's kind of what they did here with the exception of swapping a couple colors. But I think what I want to do is ditch the paint pots and use acrylic markers because one, that'll be quicker, and two, hopefully it'll, you know, be less layers because I think this Art 101 is the same brand as the donut, and I know that those pinks were transparent. I will be saving this paint, however. Don't think I'm gonna throw it away. I saved the paint from the last project too. I do use up crappy paint for underpaintings. However, I do toss these paint brushes. I'm sorry if you think that's wasteful. Okay, so these are the colors I decided for this one. I decided to prioritize my Poscas and the Grabbies over every other brand just because I know the Poscas are ones that I'm trying to get rid of. The Grabbies are just new, so I want to use them. I am going to be following this. I tried to mark off ones where I thought I was going to color the colors, but I realized that some colors are going to touch if I do it the way I want to do it, where I was going to do like the most center points were dark and then it would go out rainbow order. But I think I'm just gonna follow the colors, like the green spots I'll make all the same color, like the dark red or something. And like the dark blue I'll make all like yellow or something along those lines. So I will be following the chart a little bit here. But now, let's get to coloring. Alright, because my camera's kind of freaking out with all the extra colors and glitters on screen, I'm going to save us all some time and color the other one in between shots here. Alright, my coffee is all done, so that means the project is also done. So let me rate the coffee first because these two canvases are going to take up the whole area here. I'm going to rate this coffee a 3 out of 5 G-heads just because I didn't really like the pecan flavor too much. It wasn't the worst that I've had though. So now let's get out the canvases. Here we have the warm tones one. It has all the sparkly and glittery background. I think it's really neat. And here's the one that I did by myself. I decided to make it sparkly purple in the background. So we have the warm tone and the cool tone here. Now, I did speed up the process a little bit by coloring with acrylic markers instead of painting because I'd have to do dry time and extra layers. because I didn't do a whole lot of extra layers with the markers. It is a little streaky in some spots, and there are some like little pieces of white showing through, but that's okay. But like I said earlier, they just cropped the image in a different spot and like turned it, so I'm not too happy with that necessarily. I think it might go like this is how it is. Like it's the same image, but it's just turned and cropped differently. Now I will make note that this was for 2 people, not just 1 people. So maybe they were thinking they should be similar, so nobody gets like mad about who gets which canvas if they're like giving them to children or something. And it is quite interesting how they feel like not being on a frame. I kind of like it. I don't know why I like it. It feels like old paper, kind of like a scroll or something. But because I feel like this project was not the best for my 12 Days of Arts and Coffee series, I'm gonna like rate it a little bit lower. Because again, it was really meant for 2 people. Nock did not realize that when she picked it up. And I was not impressed with the designs being the same. And the paints are not that great if they're anything like the paints from the donut kit, because it is the same brand. So I'm going to rate this maybe a 2 out of 5. I feel like that's kind of low, but I didn't really have a lot of super fun with this. It was like okay because I was just coloring it in, but I think I would have had more fun if I wasn't doing a video for this. Like if I had taken my time and worked on it across a couple of days and not all day in the same spot. The first one took me over an hour to color, so the next one probably also took that amount of time. Plus recording time. So I'm tired and my hand hurts and my fingers definitely have the red bumps of doom on them from holding the acrylic markers for too long. But that is going to be it for me today. If you guys want to check out the last 12 days video, you could have the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you missed, you could have the thumbnail here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of commenting, liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!